something didn't go as planned, no need to worry. Undoing changes. Hello friends, when you install Windows 11 update, you might face this issue. After the system has downloaded an update, you restart your computer to install the update. But the screen displays this message and the update fails. Follow the steps to fix it. The first step is reset Windows Update Cache. Open command prompt, click on search and type cmd. Right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. On command prompt you will have to run some commands. The commands are given in the description of this video. These are the commands. Run these command lines separately. Copy the first line of command from the description. Paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the second line of command. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Copy the third line of command. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Run these commands one by one. These commands will reset Windows Update Cache. These 4 commands will stop the services which take part in the Windows Update process. These 2 commands will delete the software distribution and cater2 folders. This will reset the .dat files created by the bits service. And in the end, close the command prompt, close all other running tasks and restart your computer. If the problem still persists, modify services. Click on search, type services, click on services, start with Windows Update service, find Windows Update, here is the one, right click on Windows Update, click on properties, make sure that automatic is selected as a startup type. If not, click on this drop down and select automatic. The service is running, so start is grayed out. If a start is highlighted on your computer, click on start. Then click on apply and click on OK. Back to Windows Update service, right click on the service and select restart. Now come to the bits service. This is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service, select properties. Set the startup type to automatic. Click on this drop down and select automatic. And click on start if highlighted. If grayed out, then leave it as it is. Click on apply, click on OK. Back to the background intelligent transfer service, right click, select restart. Now come to the cryptographic services. This one, right click, select properties. Automatic is already selected. The service status is running. Make sure that your computer has also this configuration. Click on OK and restart this service. Right click, select restart. Now check for updates. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. Select settings. Click on Windows Update. Select check for updates. After the update is downloaded, restart your computer. If the issue still persists, there might be some corrupted files on your computer. Repair them. Click on search. Type cmd. Select run as administrator. Type sfc space / scannow. Press enter. Let the process complete up to 100%. Once this command has completed running, run dism commands. All these commands are given in the description. Copy the first line of command, paste into command prompt, press enter. Then run the second line. In the end, run this line. Once completed, close the command prompt, close the running tasks, and restart your computer. After restarting, click on Start, click on Settings, select Windows Update, click on Check for updates. Restart your computer after the update is downloaded. If the issue still occurs, then in place upgrade can help you get rid of. Open a browser, type Windows 11 download in the address bar, press enter, click on this link, go down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download. Select this option. Click on download now. Select the product language. This is a list of product language. Check the language of your Windows and then select here. Click on start. Click on settings. Go to time and language. Click on language and region. Windows display language English United States. Click on the drop down. Select English United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once downloaded, go to the downloads folder. Click on File Explorer icon. Select downloads. Right click on the ISO file downloaded now. Select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. Click on run. On install Windows 11 window, click on next. Getting a few things ready. On applicable notices and license terms window, click on accept. Getting updates. Click on install. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.